Hello guys, welcome for today's session. So today I'm going to show you how the hackers are using or making a virus for crashing a system. So don't take it in a wrong manner. It just I'm showing you a sample kind of a virus that mostly the hackers do for crashing the system and taking an advantage. So don't take it in a wrong manner. So let's get started. Let me show you how we can do that. So firstly, go here, search for the notepad, click on the notepad, okay, write down, I am creating a start game. I'm writing down some text here. You can see I have written down some text here. Now I'm going to save it. File, save as. I'm saving here in the desktop, providing here the name game.bat file. So what is the purpose of this .bat extension? It is going to be continuous creating this bat file when any user click on that thing. Now let's create a shortcut here. Okay. So for creating a shortcut, what we have to do here? So what you have to do here, right click here in the desktop, go to new, click on the shortcut. Now where is your location of that particular file? I have created in the desktop. So you can see here a bat file being created here. Click on it. Okay. Next, I'm providing here Mario game. Finish it. And this is created. Now let's add an icon here. Properties. Click on the font. So you can select the font of your size. Okay. So you have to click here in this change icon. Click on it. So you can see multiple options are given here. For example, I am taking this desktop. Apply. Okay. And now this Mario game is created. If you click on it, the multiple virus came here. So in this way, you can create here the multiple virus here, guys. So thank you. Thank you for seeing the session today.